Hello everybody, this is Jeff with High Desert Living, and today I'm going to show you a basic beginner's tutorial about After Effects. I've gone through trying to find new basic information on how to use After Effects, and most everybody is very well seasoned in the program, and they tend to jump ahead in great detail or overcomplicate learning just the basics. So here we go. I'm going to start After Effects right here. It can take a little while to start the program depending on your capabilities of your computer. I've got a halfway decent one, so here it is. This right here in the middle is your composition, basically preview area. Over here on the left is where you'd bring all your clips, video clips, or text files, photo files, etc. Right here. You can also double click on that and you can see it'll bring up a directory where you can go to find whatever it is you're looking for, and you can just double click and it'll bring it up into there, or you can go into your file system and click and drag into there. It'll do the same thing. Down here is your timeline, where you're gonna bring everything from your files down here, and they'll show up on your timeline and on your preview area. Over here is all your windows for manipulating different things, text, special effects. This is your preview area right here, preview controls, and so on and so forth. Right now, I'm going to start by showing you how to start a new project. Click up here, File, New Project. Then you're going to have to go to Composition, New Composition, and as always, with any program, it'll at the top you'll want to name it, just so you can keep things halfway organized. I'm going to name this Test Number 1. Okay. And in the same window, it's going to have this drop-down screen right here is going to basically different resolutions, and granted, the higher the resolution, the bigger the file size of the completed project is going to be. I have mine set up at HD TV 720 30 frames a second. And then you can choose your background color. All of this other stuff I don't really pay attention to, except for where it says duration. I have mine set at 10 seconds. 10 seconds, 0 frames. So it's right at 10 seconds long. Alrighty. And then everything works on layers with this program. If you're going to put in text, you're going to have to make a new text layer. If you want to add a picture, the picture is going to be its own new layer, etc., etc. And within those layers, you're going to have effects, animations, so on. So let's get started here. I'll just click Layer, New Text. Okay, and see down here in the timeline, it created a text layer. Alright. So, and now's the time when you would click on there and just type whatever it is. Hello. And then when you keep the cursor in a general vicinity, you'll see the little bar there. But if you go out a little further, you see how the cursor changes. This is so you can move the text wherever you want by click and dragging. And then if you go down here, just click anywhere off of that layer, it'll set it there. Now I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to delete this, go up to edit, clear. And then I'm going to clear that too. Alright. Now I'm going to make a new composition. You can also do the same thing, or let's see here, new text, blah blah blah, hello, gonna move it right here. Now if you unclick it, go up here again, click it, it'll make another text layer. And just remember, over here, down here in our timeline, the closer it is, just think of layers as in the ones on the top are going to be as visually you can see on top of the ones below it. So if you have a picture, that you're wanting to use as your background, you're going to want it on the very bottom and then everything else on top of it, so you can see whatever it is on top of the picture, and the picture isn't on top of your text, etc. So hopefully this is helpful to you to get started on After Effects. And remember, just play, see what things does. You're not going to break the program or break your computer by clicking, click, click, click. You're not going to hurt the program. Alright, if you liked the video, click like and share. Hope you enjoyed it.